In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $1,053.96 a day on average in May 2019 from my online business. What's happening, everyone? This is Greg Kononenko, the caffeinated blogger, and on this YouTube channel, I put out regular videos dedicated to traffic generation, making money online, and affiliate marketing. Subscribe to this YouTube channel to get notified about my new videos as soon as they come out. When you're subscribing, make sure not to forget to tick the bell notification icon. All right, let's get into the video. So in summary, I made $32,673 in May 2019. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through, show you the breakdown, and actually explain how I have actually done this. The reason why I decided to do this was last time I did a similar video 2 months ago, it had really good comments, and a lot of you told me that it was very helpful for you to actually visualize and understand how a marketer who is working full-time online is able to generate an income. So watch this video to find out the exact breakdowns. I'm also going to give you ideas of some of the strategies that you might be able to utilize in your own business to start generating the money online in similar ways to how I'm doing it as well. So basically, just a couple of kind of background information pieces here. This figure $32,000 includes the sources that I share publicly. I also have a couple of websites that I'm running with my wife, and those numbers are actually not even included here. So we do make, as a family, as a joint kind of enterprise with my wife, we do make more than this. I just prefer not to disclose some of the websites, okay? Second thing is, it excludes some of the smaller sources and also excludes expenses. I do have several thousand a month in expenses. So for things like hosting, we also have some developer expenses, VA expenses, etc., etc. So that does come to several $1,000s every single month. All right, with that out of the way, let's get into it. So I'm going to work my way down from the smallest income sources all the way to the highest. So one of the smaller income sources for this month was Zaxaa Commissions. So essentially, these are some affiliate products that I recommend to those who join my email list. They get automated follow-ups, and all of these sales are happening automatically. I'm here in my Zaxaa account, and if I just hit search so that everything gets refreshed, you can see that I've made $202 in commissions on my Zaxaa account. How do I actually get the traffic, and how do I get the eyeballs to this offer? How do I make those sales? Well, that's very simple. So in all of my content online, for example, in my YouTube videos or on my blog, I have what is called opt-in links. Okay, so when somebody watches my video or reads one of my posts on my blog, they're able to come to this section here and click on one of those links, and then they will be taken to an opt-in page where they can join my email list, and then they get a mix of emails that are useful information as well as some relevant targeted products that I recommend. And whenever someone buys that product, then I get paid a commission. So that's exactly how this works. If you're not doing something like that, I do recommend that you get into content marketing, put out regular useful content out there, whether it's YouTube or your blog, and collect emails onto your email list. And this way you can actually build your audience of people to whom you can market and communicate with them as well. The second revenue source is affiliate network called Share a Sale. I made $284 in commissions there promoting two programs, Tailwind and Namecheap. Namecheap is the domain registrar that I'm using and I recommend to everybody. And Tailwind is a program which I use personally to generate traffic from Pinterest, free traffic from Pinterest. So it's a high quality software, both of those. And I basically recommend it within my content on my blog as well on my YouTube videos, and whenever someone joins, I get paid. So here I am inside my Share a Sale account. You can see from the 1st to the 31st of May. Okay, so it's just refreshed, and as you can see here, it's $284.61, and most of them are lead transactions. There are some sales, etc. as well, but it's been doing really well for me. So Share a Sale program for Tailwind pays 50 cents for every lead that joins, regardless of which country they're from. So it's a really good little money earner. It's passive. I recommend it in several YouTube videos as well as on my blog posts, and it's making me money every month. So it's hard to complain. That's why I'll say it once again, if you're not doing any content marketing yet, you really need to get into it and start putting out regular useful content. That's where it's at in 2019, producing useful content and recommending relevant products. Next revenue source for May 2019 was JVZoo affiliate program. I recommend a couple of different courses in my email follow-ups as well as in my content on YouTube and on my blog. I'm not really focused on JVZoo. It just happened that people clicked on my links and I made $560 almost in May 2019 from JVZoo affiliate network. So as you can see, here is the report and the total for this month is 559. Next revenue source is Zaxaa Sales. So these are sales of a software that we was selling last year, Board Commander. This software is now closed for new sales, but we still make recurring sales every single month. So here I am logged into our joint account on Zaxaa that we own jointly with my partner. And if I just hit refresh on here, you'll be able to see that for May 2019, we made this revenue of 1,567. We did pay some commissions to affiliates and basically we made a profit of $1,289. So half of that is mine and that's what I've put down here into this slide. $645 of that is my profit. Next revenue source is Wealthy Affiliate. I made $701 in commissions for May 2019. It's a relatively new stream of income for me. It's, once again, I like it because it's recurring revenue. I'm focused very heavily on items that are bringing in recurring revenue. And I recommend high quality free training. So for someone who wants to learn affiliate marketing and how to drive traffic, how to build a blog, Wealthy Affiliate offers some excellent free training. If someone wants to learn even more, they can unlock additional tiers by upgrading. And all I'm doing is just mentioning this. You know, if any of you guys, for example, who are watching this would like to learn affiliate marketing, you can join Wealthy Affiliate through my link. You know, you can do the same thing. You can actually promote Wealthy Affiliate, their free membership, and earn whenever somebody upgrades. So you can put in free members into Wealthy Affiliate. Whenever someone upgrades, you start getting paid recurring commissions every single month that they remain a member. So as you can see here, I'm inside my Wealthy Affiliate dashboard, and the payments that I received were 198 in April, okay, 615 in May, and then for the month of May, on the 1st of June, I got $701.50. So it's growing slowly, very nicely. I'm looking forward to an even bigger check, hopefully this month. The next income amount that I made was 900 Australian dollars, so it's a little bit less in US, maybe about 700 US. And that's for recommending SiteGround hosting service to anyone who watches my YouTube videos or reads my blog posts on Caffeinated Blogger and my other websites. Here is a quick example. I made a video a little while ago, 8 months ago now, and it's titled How to Start a Blog. It's not getting a ton of views. It didn't really rank on YouTube for any keywords, but it still does get quite a lot of views every single day. And this video actually talks about the process of starting a blog. However, if we look at it, I mentioned a few resources, okay, in this video, and I mentioned that SiteGround is a good hosting company, which I personally use as well. And if anyone clicks on this link here, get hosting here, clicks on it and actually joins via my affiliate link, then I get paid a commission. So once again, this goes back to show you that content marketing actually works. The more of these kind of videos you put out and recommend relevant affiliate products, the more money you can make in the long term. Here, as you can see, I'm inside my SiteGround affiliate dashboard, and you can see that I've made 9 sales. Each of them gave me $100, so it's a really high payout, very nice payout for in terms of the commission. And that's exactly how I've made these $900. My next revenue source was YouTube ads. So I made $1,917 US in May 2019 from YouTube ads. I actually did not post any new videos. I was busy with a couple of other projects. I made 0 videos. This is the first video. This one here is the first video that I'm making since the start of April 2019. However, the good news is that my income on YouTube actually did not go down. It stayed roughly around the 2K US mark. As you can see here at the top, my last video sorted by most recent, okay, my last video was 2 months ago. However, my income for the month of May, so last month, okay, I'm here looking at May, my income still stayed around the same. Some days it's about 75, some days a little bit less, but I made $1,917 in revenue from YouTube. Even though I have made no new videos, people continue watching my videos and I continue making the revenue, which is great. Next income source, which is actually quite large, it's nearly a third of all of the money that I made in May, is from email affiliate marketing. So I've got an audience of people on my email list. I send out regular emails recommending various relevant products, and if someone likes that product, then they purchase it via my link and I get paid a certain amount of money for each sale that I refer. So I had a total of 4 email promotions that I did in May, and around 20 emails that I sent in total. Of course, it did not take me a very long amount of time. But this goes to show that if you build an audience of people, and you can do it using free traffic, okay, you can make YouTube videos, you can make posts on your blog, and if you build that email list of people to market to, then you can make some serious money from email marketing. My email marketing results are going up pretty much, every few months. I'm noticing that there is a bump as my audience grows. I can make more and more money from email marketing. And at the moment, I'm focusing on webinar-based products. So I choose high-quality products that from other webinar, from people who, have got slightly higher kind of prices of $500, $900, $997, those kind of prices. And generally, those products are high quality. They come with kind of like a coaching program and, really good courses. They're generally higher quality products than those that you can buy for like $10 or $20, okay? And of course, the commissions are really good generally as well. 50% commission on a $1,000 product is $500 per sale. You can do the maths. It's quite easy to kind of make several $1,000s a month when you're promoting that kind of price points. Just to show you quickly, here are some of the affiliate programs that I promoted. We made 5,582 here. We made 4,720 here. Both of these accounts are our joint accounts with my partner Stefan. So about half of it is mine. 10,000, so roughly about 5,000. And then there are some individual promotions that I did myself. So, okay, this one's logged out. There is 1,987 on this Infusionsoft account. There is about 1,300 total here for May on this Pay Kickstart account. I also made 853 here on Warrior Plus. So if I add up all of them together, it's $9,390 that I made from email promotions in May 2019. And lastly, the largest category where I made 18,000, more than a half of all the money that I made in May came from ThriveCart Sales. So these are sales of Growth Commander, which is the new software that we have been selling this year with my partner. It's a software that helps to produce fast content and get traffic. It's really taking off, so we're making more and more money every single month by selling this software. So I'm here logged into our ThriveCart dashboard, and you can see that I've chosen from the 1st of May to the 31st of May. If I hit search for it to refresh, you can see the amounts. We sold 88,000 in gross revenue for the month of May. We had some refunds, we paid out some commissions, and our net revenue is $36,154. Half of that money is mine, so roughly about $18,000 is mine from that amount, which is exactly what I have put down here. I'm really excited about Growth Commander. We've got some really excellent growth plans. If you guys want to learn more about Growth Commander and how it can help your business, you're welcome to scroll below this video and then just click a link which will tell you to attend a free masterclass where you can learn about this software and some of the strategies that we're using to generate viral content on both YouTube and on our blogs and start driving the traffic, start doing this content marketing that I'm talking about in this video. If you are relatively new to online marketing, you can start asking yourself, well, I can see that I am making this amount of money that I showed you. What can you actually do to start doing similar things to also start building your online income, ideally your passive online income? Well, I decided to mention 3 things that I think if you are brand new and if you came to me today and asked me, what can I actually do to get into online marketing? I would actually recommend these 3 things, okay? Start a YouTube channel. If you can stomach the idea of being on camera and producing content, YouTube is a phenomenal thing. You really just need to put out regular content, do your keyword research. I've got several videos actually about that on my YouTube channel. You can find those videos in the comments below this video. Okay, start that YouTube channel. It's slow going at first, but generally after a couple of months of putting out regular videos, maybe 3 to 5 short videos per week, you will notice that you will start getting more and more traffic. You will start building the audience and your channel will start picking up. Okay, you can build a list from YouTube traffic to continue marketing. you also make money from ads being shown on your content by YouTube. So very, very powerful strategy, starting a YouTube channel. The second thing that I would recommend, and you don't have to do YouTube and this second thing, okay? You can either do YouTube or this second thing, is to start a blog. That's what my wife and we did a little while ago for in a wellness niche, or I guess health and fitness niche, I could say. We started a blog, she's working on it, but she's starting to see some phenomenal growth in organic search engine traffic. I actually put here ending, apologies, that's my oversight. It's supposed to be search engine traffic, okay? And with that, once again, this is traffic that you can get for free. You can put opt-in forms onto your blog, and you can start building your list and start growing your audience and start marketing and start finally making the money. All right, and the third thing that I'll recommend on here is for you to start building an email list. So whether you're doing YouTube or whether you've got a blog, make sure to start building an email list, because email marketing is still very, very powerful. It's not going away anywhere. If you have an audience of people and you send them a mix of useful information and marketing information, you can make money. There is no way to fail, okay? So free traffic, get free traffic onto YouTube or onto your blog, and then build an email list, have some kind of an opt-in offer, build that email list, and start sending useful information and marketing promotions to the email list. That's the essence of making money online. I'm hoping that maybe at least for some of you, this could be new information, or maybe at least reassurance that things that you have heard before about building an email list and content marketing are actually true. That's everything for today. I hope that you found this video either inspirational or useful. Make sure to leave me a comment below and let me know what you actually thought of today's video, what kind of topics you'd like me to cover in the future. Once again, my name is Greg Koronenko. You might also know me as the Caffeinated Blogger. And on this YouTube channel, I put out regular tutorial videos dedicated to making money online, affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and similar topics. So hit that subscribe button below, hit that like button below, and also make sure to tick the bell notification icon so that you get notified about my next video as soon as it's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.